Hello, I'm James Jackson, the Chief Executive Officer of the Alameda Health System. This month, I'd like to focus on stress awareness and prevention. Healthcare is deeply meaningful work, but it's also demanding. The pace, the responsibility, and the compassion we bring to our roles each day can take a toll if we don't intentionally care for our own well-being. It's important to recognize that stress doesn't only affect the mind, it can also impact the body, contributing to fatigue, headaches, and other physical health concerns when left unaddressed. Managing stress is not just a personal priority, it's essential to the quality of care that we provide. When we take time to rest, reset, and support one another, we strengthen our ability to show up with focus, resilience, and compassion for the patients, families, and the communities who rely on us. To explore practical ways to manage stress, we spoke with Sofia Newton, our Wellness Program Manager. Let's hear what she had to share.
Stress creeps up on you. Some things people might notice are more irritability, sleep disruptions, depressed mood, eating too much or too little. These are all subtle signs of stress that can build. And so my advice is to not wait until it builds into a breaking point. Here's some practical tips. Start small. 2-minute breaks from your computer, taking a walk for 15 minutes can help you sort of reframe and reset going on in your body and your mind. Actually eating your lunch and maybe not at your desk. Schedule time in between your meetings or your tasks. Lastly, I would say mindful breathing is really helpful. A very quick one you can do is called box breathing. And what you do is you breathe in for 4 seconds, you hold it for 4, you breathe out for 4, and then you hold it again for 4. But that is really the quickest way to reset so that it calms you down, calms your body down, tells your body that you're safe, and then your mind will start to calm down as well. It's important for leaders to practice what they preach. If they are not taking breaks and they're not eating and they're sending emails at 1 in the morning, their employees are gonna get the impression that that's the culture of the organization. Another thing that leaders can do is a quick check-in with their employee, and not just about whatever project they're working on, but saying, how are you really doing? Can make a big difference in culture and to people, as well as, team morale. Healthcare workers in general are helpers. We want to fix things. And we rarely look at ourselves. We're usually giving. So the best way to not feel guilty when you're doing self-care is to reframe it for yourself. So instead of thinking of it as my self-care is taking away from my work or away from my team, or away from my family, you can instead think my self-care is helping me show up as a better employee, as a more whole person. So we're really fortunate at AHS to have a very strong employee assistance program that provides free therapy for staff as well as their family members. They have all types of resources, including financial and childcare assistance. So they're definitely the first place to go if you're looking for support. Other places that you can find support are on the Healthy Me webpage. I have a number of different tips, as well as my newsletter and the upcoming wellness webinars. And lastly, we have Short Center Rounds, which is a safe space where colleagues and healthcare workers can come together to talk about the things that keep us up at night. Giving yourself permission to take care of yourself is a necessity. Pouring from an empty cup is not just a fun saying, it's really true, physiologically and mentally. I would also just remember that you're not perfect, you're a human, and taking care of yourself is not just okay, it's necessary.
Thank you, Sofia, for those valuable insights. I encourage each of you to put these strategies into practice. Check in with yourselves and one another, and to make use of the resources that are available to you. Take breaks when you need them, and don't hesitate to reach out for support. Our employee assistance services are always available to you. Thank you for all that you do and for continuing to care for one another and our communities with heart, strength, and humanity.